What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I don't have that much time today, so I'm just gonna try to do this in a really quick way, like kind of almost like one scene cut kind of thing. But we're mounting the battle AERO wing. Guys, so first thing first, you guys kind of want to assemble it. Don't tighten any of the screws and stuff on the bracket. This is the top part. You guys can see this is the stand, and then they have this part right here, the bracket part. Don't tighten any of these yet. Just let them loose. First, I measured these. It's gonna be 21 and a half. Then I went here and measured the top from right that side all the way to right here, and try to find the middle, which is right here. Boom, it's 19. So this is 38 across, in the middle will be 19. You can see it lines up pretty perfectly with the center of that thing, not the tape, just the line. All right, guys, so I took off the brace for the top part, and I actually just went ahead and put it on here and then marked the screw holes. You can barely see the screw holes, but basically measure it up, mark it, and then drill your hole. So far, got the bracket up top done, you guys can see. And then now I put these on just so that I can measure them. I want this right here, the center, to be centered with this. So we're gonna probably adjust this right here so that it can just hold it up for the time being. And then this can be adjusted later for the back and forth of the wing. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Just tighten these up so that these match, if that makes sense. All right, guys, so I just adjusted these. I actually put them all the way down. So for this kit on the Mark 6, put all the way down, and it actually lines up pretty much perfectly this way wise. So now you just got to make sure this is straight. So how I'm doing that is I'm gonna put the wing on the top, and that hopefully is gonna make the thing straight. Okay, so I have the wing mounted on now, so it should be basically stable enough, straight. Needs a little bit of adjustment, so make sure you adjust that. These are still loose right here, so make sure those are loose. You're gonna now measure these out from basically inside here, from here to here, everything. Just measure it out, make sure it's all correct. These are not even in yet, as you guys can see. I haven't put the other bolt in, they're just in for now. So okay, but this is tight, this is tight. Also, these kind of hard to push in, so you might need to actually just screw them in with your Allen key. So I actually got the wing up in the air now, but I taped up and marked up there. So make sure you do that. Make sure you like it, how you want to do it. I guess it's very adjustable, everything from those to that to the wing, everything's adjustable. So just make sure you like it and it's centered, and you're all good after you do that. But now you have to take it over and take this apart. So it's just one T25, another T25. You're gonna take this part off right here. Same thing right here. And then you just pull down, and that's it for that. Okay, open it up just enough so I can get in there. I don't know if you guys can even see it up there. Yep, there you go, just a little bit. But drill these holes already. I would try to take this part off as I did right here, and after you mark it, take this part off, then just drill like that, because otherwise the bolts get in the way and it's hard to drill. These ones I haven't drilled yet, you guys can see that's how I marked them. So this is next. This one's almost finished. Just make sure to put your backing plate and then the washer nut. Just kidding, I took the whole thing out. It's right there right now because it's gonna be a lot easier to get to these bolts up here. This is also one of the craziest wing decks ever, because as you guys can see here, see that? It is molded. So I'm like one of the only people in the world to have that, and I think it looks absolutely awesome. So there you guys go. Really short video because I'm running out of time. We will skip to probably like Monday or something. This is Friday right now. Probably the Monday of me actually going and showing you guys the actual wing in the daylight and all that. So cue to go to that.